If you want to make trading simple for you, just look for this formation. Come on, I just told y'all how much money I made within a day, right? That basically, like I said, perspective, that was basically my paycheck at Amazon for 10 hours that I made literally in my sleep, low key. What's good, digital hustlers? I am back with another video. I was trading right now, y'all. I realized, I'm up right now on my main account. I just want to show y'all what's going on. And as y'all can see, my alert on the DXY, the US dollar, just went down. So with that being said, these sales will continue. Right now I am currently in GBP USD, as you can see, and I am also in this Nas trade in the signals chat that I'm in. So as y'all can see, hold on. Last week I started off with $300. Then I went up to like $4 something, made a withdrawal for like around $125, something like that. So then came back and now we're at 470, y'all. Straight like that, as y'all can see. Nas finna hit TP and GBP USD finna hit TP also. So yeah, I just came out here to just say, man, believe in yourself. Like, it's been times where I questioned trading. There's been times where I wanted to quit and I wasn't sure if I want to keep doing this. Well, I have invested a lot of money trading. I look at it as an investment of a skill that I want to learn over time. I am 19, so by the time I'm 25, 30, like, I'm gonna know this like the back of my hand, y'all. And I'm just not getting, this is my third year, I believe, trading. And man, y'all be seeing the entries I be catching. Like, just this GBP USD trade, like, there's a lot of people that don't do this out here, y'all. And it's not even tooting my own horn, but let's be real, let's be honest. Like, a lot of the information out here is fugazi. A lot of the information out here is fake. They feed you false information for you to lose money. And it's so much that I can put y'all on game about. It is currently April 20th. And I have not recorded a video in a long time, y'all. Like, I haven't been in front of the camera in a minute. I've been recording. I've been editing videos. I've been posting shorts for y'all. Been going back in time, getting. What's good, digital hustlers, man? It is Al Wavy, aka Digital Hustler himself, back with another video, man. And look, in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be breaking down how I was able to make $180 this morning. Now look, y'all, look, bro, I've been behind the scenes. I have not recorded a video in some time. I did record the first part of this video earlier today, which I'm pretty sure y'all seen already. I'm probably gonna put it at the beginning. But y'all, today, well, not even today, the last couple of days, well, the last week, right? Like I said, I haven't been recording my journey at all. Clothing brand wise, been making sales, not as much as I usually, but I'll, most likely get a good number of like 10 plus sales a week. And that has slowed down a lot, which I understand why. I haven't been promoting, I haven't been posting on Instagram as much. I haven't been really active on the media. I've been kind of ducked off doing my own thing, y'all. But as y'all can see by the screen, man, we have hit 13,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all. 13,000 people have subscribed to Digital Hustlers, man. That is crazy to me. But y'all, look, in today's video, like I said, I will be showing y'all how I was able to make around $180 in the morning time. I'll be showing y'all step by step, trade by trade, and just showing y'all like what I was in, man. Like, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna try something new, and I'm not gonna edit this as much as I usually do. I'm probably gonna cut out some parts, but to be honest, this probably gonna be like a live stream type vibe. Like, I'm not gonna really cut it up too much. al.wavy, that is my Instagram. My business Instagram is digitalhustlers.loc, man. Well, y'all been doing this. I've been got my LLC, but I have switched my name from digitalhustlers.us, which is the website. Go check it. Go put your email on the website, y'all. There's a lot of drops coming. A lot of things that I've been planning, man. Like, I already have my next drop already settled and stuff like that. I'm actually starting on the next one after that, so we can just get things rolling and just have this flowing, man. But yeah, digitalhustlers.us is the website. Go put your email and your name, and then digitalhustlers.loc is my Instagram, my business Instagram, y'all. But look, as y'all can see, too much talking, let's get into the charts, man. GBP AUD was the first trade that I actually put last night. Let me actually screenshot this, right? I'm actually in some trades right now also, as y'all can see. Actually in some trades right now also. We're looking for this to drop. The USD needs to get weaker. It's like, it's inevitable. Remember, English is my second language. Chill out. Now I'm playing, y'all. But look, as y'all can see, these are the trades that I have for today. Nah, y'all gonna be able to see it. These are the trades that I have for today. As you can see, I made $180 balance wise. These are the 4 trades that I'm gonna be breaking. Well, actually 3 trades that I'm gonna be breaking down for y'all, which is GBP AUD and GBP USD. Now the Nas trade, that was in the signals chat that I'm in, so I'm just let y'all know that. Now I don't trade stocks like that personally because I understand it, but it's like the way I trade don't always correlate with stocks, so I just stay away from them. But we're gonna start off with GBP AUD. Go, baby. That's what I like to see, man. All right, so like I was saying, as y'all can see, I have GBP AUD right in front of me, and this is actually the first trade that I took last night, y'all. And I'm gonna just say this trade was like, it was between this trade and Euro AUD for a buy, but the buy on Euro AUD didn't make sense to me because of how high up it was. So I decided to just stick with GBP AUD for the sell. A cool little 1 to 4. That is all I'm trading from now on, y'all, is 1 to 4. I'm sticking to this trading plan that has been, I was able to withdraw $100 last week, which I made more, of course, but still have to have some money in my account, as y'all seen. That is my live account, right? All these trades that I'm showing y'all right now, it is on my live account. I decided to go live, and that is just because of where I am in life right now. And what I'm seeking for myself is to just be able to withstand myself trading and be disciplined. As y'all can see, I do have this Discipline is Key book, which I am going to start reading real soon. I'm not a reader, so don't hold me up to it, but I'm most likely just going to listen to the audio book and just follow with the book itself. And then I do have another book, right here. This book, if you want to know what I was saying at the beginning, like a lot of people going to be mad and stuff, read this book. It's $5 on Amazon. Read this book, y'all. I'm telling you, this is exposing a lot of stuff within this world. But yeah, GBP AUD, we are on it, and I'm gonna just say that once I was looking at this market, right, and if you don't know how to like do top-down analysis and stuff like that, you can go back to my old videos and watch it. I'm not gonna do so much top-down analysis just because y'all know how I trade. Y'all understand, for those people that do watch me a lot. And if you don't, like I said, you can always go back and watch the old videos. But so as y'all see here, we have GBP AUD, like I was saying, and this is exactly what I was looking at when I got into this trade yesterday. This is exactly what I was looking at. So the market was at this area of, I don't want to say support and resistance, because it was bouncing up and down. It was more so consolidating in a sense. If we do want to like mark this up and just show you, it was bouncing around these 2 areas, as y'all seen. It, exploded through here, came down, shot up, hit that line, came down again, hit this line again, shot up. It didn't blow by this one, but what I seen was that on the 1 hour chart, the market was kind of making these wicks, right? And if you don't know what a wick is, it's basically price was at that area, but it wasn't strong enough to stay there, so it closed down here. All of these down here, these bodies, this is where it closed at. That's basically what what wicks are. When market is around that price, but it wasn't strong enough to stay there, so it shot back down, shot back up, whatever the case is. Right, so I went down to the 30-minute chart just because I couldn't see it clearly. I couldn't see clearly on this 30-minute either. Well, I could see more clearly on this 30-minute, but I did have to drop down to the 15 just because of how I trade myself and what I like to look for. So I seen that, right, if you want to make trading easier for you, literally just look for this, like no cap, look for this every single time in the market. Every time in the market, if you look for this, you're gonna win most of your trades, right? So what you're initially looking for is you're looking for a swing from the bottom to the top. Then you're looking for another swing to come down. Now another swing to beat this high. So now this is on the uptrend, right? Now wait for it to drop again, and when it drops this time, it's not going to drop all the way like the first one did, and that's the main key, right? You need space to be able to drop down again, take people's money, and then shoot back up, as you can see here. So like I said, it didn't drop all the way, but it did break this high, right? So now what does this do? This creates liquidity right here, which is money. So we're gonna do this right here. Boom. And I'm gonna show y'all how I seen this with every single one of my trades, right? Even the ones I'm in right now, which is USD CAD and ZD/USD. So boom, right? This just created money right here. Now, when the market makers push the market down, take these people's money, what they're gonna do is they're gonna respect this low right here, right? Now, the top of that candle can be your entry, the bottom can be your stop loss. So we're gonna make that red and fat. Then we're gonna make this blue and fat, so y'all can see. All right, so once they do this, they hit your entry, they take off. So where you wanted to go was correct, right? Some people had their entry right here. This is what I used to do, right? I used to have my entry right here, stop loss right here, you know, entry right here, take profit up here. But as y'all can see, what they do, like I said, they purposely take these people money, push it down a little bit more, entry, and then they go off, right? Now I do gotta be watching these two trades, these two other trades that I'm thinking about, just because of where the market is right now. All right, we're gonna see if it hold down there. If it don't, we're not gonna get into these two trades. But yeah, right. So boom. Now that y'all see this formation, I want y'all to literally, if you want to make trading simple for you, just look for this formation. All right, swing, making that uptrend, half swing, beating this, then it comes down, hits that entry, takes people money, and then shoots up, right? All right, so now as you can see here, market pushed up, came down, pushed up again. What did I tell y'all? Came down again, but not all the way down. So now this created imbalance. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, this is low-key an imbalance right here. All of this is an imbalance, right? Bro, why is this even here? This is an imbalance from right here down here. So we have two large areas of imbalance within the market, which it can possibly go drop and go, you know, take. So now that I've seen that right there, I'm like, okay, cool. Now the market pushed down again, creating, you know, beating this low, but then it pushed up. So I'm like, okay, cool. So the fact that it just did this low-key means that it could be going down for a sell. Why do I say that? Because as y'all can see here, the market already filled where I like to get in at, right? So when I trade, I like to get in around the 30-minute entry candle, which is right here. This is the candle right here. So this is the candle right here. So with that being said, once I seen this candle low-key already get hit, which is right here, it barely tapped it, but at the same time, like I said, right, that wick. What did I tell y'all about that wick? That wick is just price basically got there, but it didn't hold. So with that being said, once I seen that the market touched that area, I'm like, okay, bet. Now this can possibly drop for at least my 1 to 4. It don't have to drop all the way, but for my 1 to 4, I can possibly see this moving down, right? So with that being said, once I seen that, I'm like, okay, boom, let me get in for this trade right here. Stop loss is at that high, which is right here. Take profit, 40 pips. What was it, 40? No, it was 32, right? 32 pips, take profit, 7 pips stop loss. Once again, I'm right here in the market. So I'm like, all right, bet. Let me just go ahead and, I think I put a sell limit if I'm not mistaken. Mind you, the trade is damn near already there, so it could low-key left me, but thank God it shot back up there and then dropped, right? So now when we speed this up, so boom, drop down like I told y'all, but then it wicked back up there. As y'all can see, this is basically where I got into the entry. We're gonna continue this. All right, and as y'all can see, it just rammed my take profit. Literally, just went down there that fast. So, boom, right? 5 candles hit my take profit. Now by this time I was asleep. Yes, I was asleep. I woke up to take profit hit. So cool, right? Now y'all look, I ain't gonna lie, I low-key did think, because one thing about me is I always look at like what if it don't respect this entry and it goes hit the 50%. The 50% isn't here. This was just the entry of the candle, right? So like I said, I was asleep. So by the time I woke up, boom, hit take profit. Y'all tell me why it respected this top entry also. As you can see, it's slowly moving back up there. Boom, right? Entry right there. This is my second trade, right? Mind you, I didn't put this one in. I didn't put the second trade in. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't put this in. This was just like a what if. So if I woke up and I lost this one and it was up there, then I was gonna get into that one, right? Continue this trade. Boom, and 2 candles already. My second possible trade would have already hit TP also. 1 to 4. Once again, I was risking $12 to make 49, hypothetically speaking. Now, as you see, right, this is my 2 areas that I was looking for, but the market did decide to just completely tank, which kind of sucks, because back then I would have ate all of this up too. But like I did tell y'all, I ain't following the trading plan and I do strictly 1 to 4s now. But y'all, this thing dropped. Like what? And it just kept on going too. Like if I'm not mistaken, it's still down there. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Hold on, let's see. Let's speed this up because it's taking too long. Oh yeah. So it did create this, like, there's liquidity right here, which is money. Like I said, people think that this is a support, which is not. It's gonna get taken out within the next, not even, if it's not today, a couple days, to be honest, because that's 3 areas of rejection right there, which people may think that is support, like I said, which is not. But yeah. Let's say hypothetically speaking, I was to swing this all the way. I could have possibly been risking $12 to make 145, which, like I said, that's what I used to do. But I'm just taking the more smarter approach that 1 to 4. Like there's trades that I have got in for 1 to 4s, which I have one. For example, right, this one. Let's say, for example, I was to trade this and I was to swing this one all the way down here. I would have lost this trade, right, which I would have been mad about. Then I would have got hit with my other trade, which I did not put in once again. Then it would have tanked all the way down there, meaning that I was out the trade and it went to where I thought it was going to be, which I would have been pissed. But like I said, 1 to 4, cool, calm, collective, hit my stuff, and we good, we chilling. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much what GA looked like, and that's how I did my analysis. Like I said, remember this formation right here that I just showed y'all, right? Remember this. Now we're gonna go to GBP USD. TPUSD. All right, bam. All right, remember that formation. Hold on, let me just draw it out for y'all again. And mind y'all, you don't need that first leg, by the way. You don't need this all the time. Sometimes it might not do it, but let me just show y'all the very simplistic, like what you look at. So let me just draw it out with this. I used to use this, but now I don't, just because I understand what be going on. But basically, one. Hold on, let me do this again. Okay. So now we're being complicated, I see. All right, boom. So boom. Comes down. Shoots up again. Okay. Because apparently I'm just... All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is literally all you're looking for in the market. I promise you, if you start trading like this, the amount of money you're gonna make in this market is insane. This risk this formation, risk management, and a trading plan. Come on, I just told y'all how much money I made within a day, right? That basically, like I said, perspective, that was basically my paycheck at Amazon for 10 hours that I made literally in my sleep, low key. All right. Now, as y'all seen here, I put this trade in before I went to the gym with my homeboy yesterday. Yeah, I don't feel like replaying this anyways. But yeah, all right. So we have the first leg, shot back down. Second leg, which beat this one, shot back down. What did I say, right? It took people's money right here. It took people money right here. It shot up again. So now what I'm waiting for is for market to come back down to this area and to take off, which is exactly what it did, right? So with that being said, y'all, one thing I would say about this trade is that I was low-key like not intimidated, but the way the market was moving, I didn't like it, to be honest. But by the time that I looked at the trade, it was about 6, 7 o'clock, right? And then they had news today at 7:30, which helped me out. That's why the trade looked the way it did. As you can see, this 7:30 a.m. USD red folder and unemployment claims was able to come back down, hit my area, and shoot up like I said, right? Now I didn't hit my take profit, but like I did explain in the, bro, that's crazy because I did say that at the beginning of the video earlier today, where I was like, I got out the trade just because I know myself, and this is exactly what I'm talking about, because this is gonna shoot back up there. But if I see the market slowly trickling down like this, I'm gonna be like, I need to get out, and I would have got out the trade. I'm gonna be real, I would have got out the trade. But as you can see, right, what did it come do? Once again, 30-minute candle. What did it come do? Came perfectly tap that top of the candle. Now what is it doing? Slowly going back up. I'm telling y'all, man, a lot of this stuff in the market is so textbook. You just need to analyze and journal. That's one thing I have been doing a lot, is journaling lately. And yeah, like, to be honest, that's really all you need to just understand what's going on in the market. Is just basic market structure, knowledge, prior knowledge, time on the charts and stuff like that, risk management, trading plan. As I'm naming all of it does sound like a lot, but I promise you, once you start understanding what's really going on, and once you start understanding like what your pairs are, what you feel as though more comfortable trading and stuff like that, then you're gonna get better over time, right? Now look, so boom, right, like I said, so this was a 1-to-4. Bro, did I try to cheat this? This was more than a 1-to-4. So I really would have hit my take profit, to be honest, if I would have just stuck to my 1-to-4. I don't know why this is a 4.8 trade ratio. But as you can see, I was risking $13 to make $63, hypothetically speaking. So yeah, that is what GBP USD looked like. Great trade, perfect entry. As you can see, literally had a 3-pip drawdown. Like, people are not doing this, bro. Literally a 3-pip drawdown. Like, people are not, like, once y'all find people that's doing this, I always say this in my videos, man. Once y'all find people that's doing stuff like this, like what I'm doing at 19 years old, y'all let me know, man. But yeah, that is what GBP USD looked like. I'm gonna just show y'all Nas just because, fuck it. But like I said, this was a signal. So me personally, I didn't mark this up. But I would say that I did see this sell. I did see the sell, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I did see the sell up here. Let me show y'all real quick what Nas looked like. So I basically got into Nas. So yeah, I got into Nas right around this area right here. Oh, let me start this candle. Damn, why? So yeah, I got it. What the fuck? Okay, so boom, right? So as y'all seen that little small pullback it just had, I got into Nas like around here. This was my stop loss, and then this was my take profit, and then this was my second entry just in case market did decide to like come down again. I was gonna double up, you know, put another trade in, but I was actually gonna risk more just because it's closer to my stop loss. Plus what I'm trading right now, I should be trading more, to be honest. He does do 1 to 3s. I peeped. So with that being said, a 1 to 7 would have been nasty. A 1 to 7 on Nas is wild, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, so as you can see, y'all, Nas is just completely just like, it was playing a little bit, but at the same time that thing was sliding, that thing was moving. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, boom, boom, boom. It was fluctuating, and then I believe no, news was already out by then. But yeah, as y'all can see, TP hit a little to no drawdown, and yeah. But like I was saying, right, I did see this in the market, and this is just because of how I trade and what I was looking at, right? So let me see. All right, so boom, right? Once again, what did we just talk about? Let me show y'all every single time, man. Every single freaking time. What color y'all want to do? Y'all want to do green? Let's do green for money. So boom, this was his highest point before it dropped down again. What did I just show y'all, man? What did I just show y'all? So at this point, right, this is what Nas looked like. So Nas overall, I see a sell going on. Came down, shot up, came down, beat this low, shot up again, took these people money, but respected these people up here, right? Then shot down again. Now, with that being said, like I said, since I see this formation going on, and I believe it's gonna go down here. Once I seen market shooting all the way up here, I was like, I ain't gonna lie, this might sell, but I didn't get into the trade just because I didn't like the structure behind it. I didn't see no type of like 1 hour lows or 1 hour lows. Yeah, 1 hour lows. I didn't see any 1 hour lows that could be taken out. So I you know, I like to always see a low be there before I get into the trade, right? So boom, this is the this is how market is fluctuating. So as y'all can see, this would have been a perfect sell. I don't know if that, oh yeah, it did beat it. This is the, yeah, it did beat it. That's crazy. As y'all can see, that low was beat right here. This is the low beat. So that would have been a crazy trade. I ain't gonna cap. But like I said, I did not get into the trade, so unfortunately, right now it's just a what if. What if it would have happened? And let me see. So that would have been damn, a 1 to 6. A 1 to 6 on Nas is wild. But yeah, that's pretty much what, you know, okay, I did not mean to do that.